Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a shortcut folder or shortcut file of any file. Okay, so what you have to do, you just need to simply open any file, or you can also open any folder. And what you have to do, you need to select the file and you need to right click on the file. And once you get these kind of options, you will see there are lots of options, and in the very bottom side you will see there is an option like create shortcut. You just need to simply tap on create shortcut, and now this is your shortcut file. And you can cut this file from here, and you can paste this file anywhere in your PC, also on your desktop, and you can access the same file by using this shortcut key. And if you don't want to use this, you can also delete your file. And your original file will be safe. Okay, so now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.